Hi there, my name is Min McLean, and I'm going to be singing A Day Rolling Deep. Sorry there's no music, it just doesn't work. Just need to get it sorted out. I'm sorry if the words go wrong as long as, but if it does, don't worry, just comment under it and just say what bit goes first. Just give me a wee, to make sure. But anyway, here it goes. There's rain, fire, starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, which is bringing me out dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead, send me out, may I should bear. See how I leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I would do. There's rain, fire, starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, which is bringing me up dark. The skies of your love remind me of us that keep me thinking that we could have had it all. The skies of your love leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart aside of your hand, and you played it to the beat. Throw your stones through every open door. Count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasured gold. Now pay me back in time, just free me what you sold. Yeah, we could have had it all. We could have had it all. It all, it all, it all. We could have had all, rolling in the deep. You had my heart aside of your pen, and you played it. You played it to the beat. Oh, 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 oh. I know it wasn't best. I think I might have missed a few words out, but doesn't matter. As long as you've enjoyed it. Bye.